Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you're doing well. This weekend we headed to Pyeongtaek Station by subway. It's a quite popular area, so we wanted to check it out. This area was really big and it was filled with restaurants, cafes, and shopping. We passed by this burger place and I thought it looked good, so we gave it a try. Usually in fast food places, you order on a machine and wait for your number to be called. We got some onion rings and Shanghai pork to share. I got a burger and he got a chicken sandwich. One thing I noticed in Korea is they normally don't give you a lot of ketchup packages like they do in the US. The portion sizes are also smaller, but honestly, it's the perfect amount when you get sides with it. I never feel like I'm overeating. We stopped by this bakery/cafe that had a spiral stairway leading up to the sit-down area. I should have filmed more, I don't know why I didn't, but we both got a latte and just enjoyed the vibe. As you can see, there was so much cute things. It was so hard not to buy everything, but I did pick up a few notebooks, pens, and some clothes. One thing I noticed when shopping for clothes was that most of the shops here are all one size, which is like a small or extra small in US size, so it was a little difficult finding things that would fit me right, but I did manage to find a few items. I saw that there was a dog and cat cafe, and if you know me, I just had to check it out. When you go, the drinks are a little pricier. They're about $8 per drink, but that's basically your entry fee, so I understand since they need to take care of the animals. Before you go in, you have to switch your shoes with slippers to walk in, and you're greeted with super adorable dogs. The dogs seem to be potty trained to use those pads on the ground, and the big dogs are pretty good about it. You can also buy treats to feed them. Here's a couple who bought a few treats and the dogs instantly knew what was going to happen and they were so excited about it. The cats didn't have many visitors, which was kind of sad, so I spent most of my time with them. That little one right there was super scared of us when we first walked in, but I did eventually win its trust. When you walk around Korea, you'll notice there's a ton of karaoke bars everywhere. Hopefully we'll be able to go to one soon when things calm down.
What we do here is go back.
The darker it got, lights were turned on everywhere and it really made the area beautiful. Before going home, we looked around AK Plaza. It's a mall right next to the station and they have a few brand name stuff, so we just browsed around for a bit. Around most of the subway station, it's kind of like an airport slash mall slash restaurant. There's a lot to do when you get off your subway stop. As always, thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your week and I'll see you next time. Bye!